Hello, hello. I think our stream started, and let's check the stream quality. It's working fine or not. Then after
Hello,
we
hello.
start
I
our
think
stream
work
started,
on today's
and let's check the stream
and
quality.
I
It's
reduced the
working fine
stream
or not.
quality
Then
because
after
hello,
we
hello. I
start our
found that there is some
stream
lagging work
started,
on today's
and let's
stream
check the stream
and
quality.
I
It's
reduced the
working fine
stream
or not.
quality
Then
because
after
hello,
we
hello. I
start our
found that there is some
stream
lagging work
started,
on today's
and let's
stream
check the stream
and
quality.
okay. So let's open the YouTube and take the screenshot of again Nitish Rajput video. Uh, let's search Nitish Rajput. Let's copy the this time. Let's copy some another image like this. Okay. Now this time we copy this image. Adobe Photoshop. Let's open the image with the Photoshop and decode the our thumbnail. So in the background there is some gray color, not gray, yellowish, pale yellow color image in background, having some texture. Then the parliament image and this image and 13th December, and this is the text. And in the right there is Nitish Rajput. So for that we open the yesterday file first. Open this and Nitish Raj PhD. I think this one is the yesterday file. So the reason I used to and create a new file. Size is the in pixels. Let's take 1920 width and height 1080. The reason to copy, we want this part. I think I am not able to open the original file as we converted this as a okay, now it's okay. Let's copy this part, control C. Paste it and adjust the size. Let's see the size. It's covered around 50% of the space, and mainly 75 is a face size. Okay, so just like this, this is like just confirming the size ratio. So this is the ratio in which this Rajput image is used in that. So for that, like 75% face and 55%, 50% space like this. Reduce this, I think this. Okay.
and group this and name this as a Nitish face. Okay. And now our image part is completed. Next is the background one. Don't need this, so let's cut the unnecessary part. The background and also save this project with Nitish thumbnail 2 for day 2. So today is day 2 of our stream. Nitish and Nitish thumbnail 2. Okay. Okay, we need this type of texture, uh, pale yellow type. So go to the free pick. I think we can easily find the background pale yellow texture BG. Okay, background must be some in dark light color and license. Select the free one and also dark. In search, write the dark one. Let's see in another page. I think it is difficult to find a similar one as well. I think in page 1 I found something. I think I can use this. Let's download this. Hmm, no, use this as a background. Let's rotate and increase the size. I press the Alt so that it can be expanded from the center. Okay, like this. And also there is some texture in the rough texture. No? So we have to download, not also download. We have to download some rough texture. ROU is rough texture. Let's copy this image. I think there is no copy option. Let's download this image. Now paste this in the Photoshop. Increase the size. And now apply some blending mode in it. Okay, this will look good. Let's try another one. I think linear one. No, no. I think the linear one looks great indeed. Okay, the texture is also fitted. Now you can see the color is like some dark, no?
So we can adjust this in filter by applying camera raw filter. We made our background not only background, our background to dark one. So reduce the exposure, increase the contrast, decrease highlights, and yes, decrease highlights like this, increase the shadow ones, decrease whites, and increase the blacks. Not increase, decrease the black, okay. Increase the temperature, so it looks some yellow tone. Now play with the curves and decrease this dignity part to the black, near the black. Okay, I think yes, not exact like but still I think we have also check different texture. I think linear one. Okay. Now, this is good. Now, now it made one solid color. Let's the color of the solid is black. This here and decrease the opacity of this like this. I think not. I think not the fully black. Some gray type. I think that much is good. Okay. So now again group all these things with Control Z and write this as background. Okay. So our background is ready. Our image. Okay. And one thing in image. Mm, we have to make the color as opposite 100 like in the color of this background yellow tone. Yeah. So it looks good. Let's see the color picker uh, like this and select like this. No, so it must be matching with the theme and also decrease the opacity, so it must look natural. And also let's apply some camera raw filter in the face as well. So it must be blend with the background because there is a very big contrast between the background and the foreground. I have to make this in some dark tone, this contrast, decrease the highlight, increase temperature so it looks so just yellowish tone. I also play with something and play with graph. Okay, now face tone. Okay, so we manipulated the face tone edge of the background, some yellow shade, so it blend with background. Now,
Okay, like this happened. Now we have to add a parliament in the background. Now. Okay, so let's search parliament, parliament image. Okay, okay. We have to add the parliament image. So we search PNG image. So we don't have to work more on the removing background. I think this one, not this. I think this, not this also. Let's see this. Not in ISO. Download free PNG. Uh, download format. No, I just want to download the PNG of that file. So I am not using any licensed product. You can easily download the PNG part and the background and the prefix and many things. Also, uh, don't try to pay anything if you are learning anything. Just try to find any free alternatives so that you don't need to pay more and more bills in this type of stuff. I think the website is the fake one. Let's try to download another different. Okay, let's try to download different image. I think different image. Let's find. Let's try to download this. The same website opens. And let's download the vector. What now? Any issue? I am trying to find the, but it is the paid one. No issue. You can also find the free alternatives as well. Let's see. Let's see. Let's copy this and let's see what happened in this. I pasted the image. It's like this. Then for now, let's done. Remove background. Yes, the background is removed. Okay. Let's lock the background as well as the Nitish.
so we can easily work in that area. So this is the parliament image. Parliament image come. Now we need the image of that person. He must be artist or maybe what. Let's took the screenshot of that person, and with the help of the chat GPT, the help of chat GPT, let's try to draw that image. Uh, draw the image without any text, and also in that time I search that image in Google image as well as. So we found the image of this. Yes, the image. I found the image Afzal Guru. Okay, the name is the Afzal Guru. Copy image. Let's paste here. Image of Afzal Guru. And we need to remove the background. So click on the remove background. No, it's not working properly. So we remove the we remove this manually by selecting the subject. By pressing the Alt, I will erasing the unnecessary parts like this. Okay. Now create a marks. Now place the Afzal Guru image as it took the 40% of space in the thumbnail, and the rest is in the parliament image size. So let's place this as. Let's increase the size of parliament as in the background like this. Okay, and decrease the size of this up to 40%. So the main highlight Nitish Rajput must be highlighted in the thumbnail, not like this, like this.
The parliament must look like this and apply some blending mode in parliament so it matches with the theme. Don't look like the it is the different spot. I think this blending mode is good like this. Some part of the parliament is not visible fine, uh, not visible finely, not visible. So by clicking on the brush tag, draw the parts. Okay, like this, and the face must this face color of that person must matches with the background. So I will again use the camera raw filter and that time first increase the temperature so it looks yellowish. Play with the tint, reduce the background, increase the contrast, decrease highlights, and play with the curves like this. Now it matches with the background. Now let's check. And there is some font like 13 December here. Use let's write the text like here. Font tool. This is the font tool. Write 13th. TH. Like this. Write it at 13th. And now write the December. DACAMD. But let's check the size. The size is like that. It is in the 30% space and in the gradient color. Okay. So first above image December. Okay. Poppins. Poppins are medium. Now properties. Okay. Okay. And font size. Let's make this for 48 and decrease the space between the letters so it looks the compressed. Okay, like this. Now in the color let's add the gradient. For the gradient we go and add a gradient color like the white and yellow. So let's select the white first and then the yellow one, yellow like this. Is the opacity of yellow like this, and now blend this with on alternate swap, not alternate swap it like this. Okay, the December part completed at 30. Okay, now we can easily control T and decreasing the size of December font. Okay, the 13th part like here. Again increasing the size of 13 so it matches with the theme, and add this th part here and decrease the size. I think okay, now add some now we are going to add a texture. For the texture I use the same texture I used in the background. So let's copy the texture, control C and paste again. And let's lock the background again so it doesn't border our process, and remove this from here. Now we want to made, no, not made, we want to apply this in the fonts only now. So let's control G uh, and text, write this as a text, only apply in that area. Okay, so let's check how it looks. The fonts look, texture looks great in font. Control minus, and so we can reduce the size of texture so more details will be visible like this. Let's zoom and check it's look great or not. Yes, it's look good. I think the image must be some bigger, little bit more, so face must be visible now. Good, and decrease the size of text, not only any particular part, overall text. The December
is not readable properly. Not. So let's in just above the background we add an gradient like this. Okay, and place it just above the background, not inside the background. We need just above the background like this. Okay, not here. I think here. Okay, now it's great. And reduce some opacity. Like this. Now December looks great. Okay, and there is some glowing effect in the image now. So we are going to add some glow effect. Mm, inner glow, increase the noise of glow, and opacity, reduce opacity, and size must be 1, not 1, it not 0, jitter 20-30%. Okay, like this, some glow is added, and like this, we have made another thumbnail. Not look similar, but trying to decode the steps that used in the making any thumbnail, and the Nitish Rajput image is not um, available, so I just made an image, and in this the image looks more clear. So let's try. I think now uh, prepare only right side image with white BG without any text. Prompt is very important in the AI. Whenever you use AI now, the prompt is important. So always try to use the good prompt so the you get the content wisely. I think only issue I found in the thumbnail is na image of the Nitish Rajput. So let's try to change the image so it looks similar to their original thumbnail. And let's cut all the things, and also let's check the string. It's similar to their original thumbnail. Checking just the string, is there any, and let's cut the all comment or anything. I think no, there is no comment, and also not an issue. If there is anything, any doubt comes, I will surely resolve your issues as soon as possible. This all the session is just for my improvement and learning purpose to improve my English communication, my design skills, and the breakdown the process involved in making anything related to the design. And this is the day two, and my target is just to improve every day a little bit. So one day I will surely make the design. So one day I will surely make myself uh, great. This is just a learning uh, purpose.
when let's close the Figma file and unnecessary, close the WhatsApp, all the unnecessary part, let's close. Let's hope the image must be great so that we can replace this with the Nitish Rajput image I used in the thumbnail. So our design looks more good and comfortable. I think before that I must have to use that image because it's really very nice image. That is the image. And then remove the background like this. Let's change this little bit. Yes, like this. Okay. And now going to put just okay like this. And for the text, just move this distance right. Okay, like that. And the one thing is that missed in that image is no glow, some glow in the face. So for that, let's go to the camera raw filter and add a glow. Increase the exposure little bit, contrast little bit, highlight, temperature. So it looks some yellowish related to our theme as well, and play with curves like this. Click on OK, and yes, there is some glow comes in the face. Let's see. Image is prepared. Yes, image is prepared. Copy image, and I have to delete that image. Now paste that image like this and remove the background. Hmm. Okay, let's adjust the image. I think move like this. Yes, increase the size of the image like this and like this. Okay, and overall it's look great. Just increase it little bit more, and text must just evoke like this. Yes. Nitish Rajput image. Filter. I just want to make it little bit yellowish, so it matched with our theme, like yellow tone. Decrease the exposure, not like that, but increase contrast, increase the highlights, so it glow. Increase the whites, decrease the blacks, yes, and play with the curves, like not like that. Hmm. Hmm. Let's look at. So now our thing. No, this this is the okay. Now there is some blood's gun sword now. So gun sword for that. Let's add in the background some gun swords like for that. Let's go to the free pick and search gun sword with blood. Okay, gun sword blood. These are the gun swords, but there is no blood in the gun sword. Also in the license, much like the free one. We are not getting there yet, I think. Let's try with this crack window like style. I think this will also looks great. Let's try with this. If not like looks good, then we can replace it. But I think it looks great. The image size is very big. That's why it takes time. Like let's decrease it. Let's place this here. Okay. And now going to add just about the background. I should go inside the background, but I need it just about the background. The system starts lagging, I think. Uh, the stream time is increased, that's fine. But no issue, I will complete this design of this, and after that I will close the stream. It is lagging too much. Okay, I think there is no need of Chrome. Let's close the Chrome. It will the Chrome take lot of CPU uses. Maybe now it's very good. Now try to use different types of. So it looks great.
No, yes. Last one looks great, I think. No, it's not look like the gun shot. Let's again try to find another gunshot image that must be useful in our design. It is a hit and tell method. When it's look great, it is good for us. Gunshot. I think let's search like this. Gunshot. No, red mark. I think blood mark. Maybe blood mark on blood mark. Blood mark. Not like the. I need a gun shot along with the blood mark. Let's try this. Maybe it look great. Opening the Adobe Illustrator because this is the EPS file. This small details takes time. So whenever you made anything, uh, must uh, do attention in the small details because it creates lots of difference between two images in thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. It is the first interaction of anyone, like any viewer come, the first interaction point is the YouTube thumbnail. So it must be the minimal, not lots of content, but also the small details must be the eye catching. So people give attention to your details, not to, I think, control is the file. So if it is closed, the file must be saved. The Illustrator opening is taking time. I think the file is bigger. That's why taking time. Lots of file is open. I think system is working very slow. I think we have to stop the streaming because the system is working very slow. You can easily add a gunshot in the background. I think try again once. Let's close the Adobe Illustrator for Squid. It takes the loads of RAM and try PNG image of gunshot. PNG add a blood mark, maybe comes with red one. Uh, Need license. Okay, now this image. Lots of images are available, but it is not available freely. I am try to find a free one file. I think how I can download this. Return of PNG bullet whole guns of blood PNG hole in 5 seconds. Let's check it will download or not. I think something is downloaded. Let's check. Yes, we get the file. Decrease the size so it looks like the gun really real gunshot, not a fake one. And also let's change the blending mode so it's make it the background. Mhm. Yes, overlay soft light. I think the overlay part looks look good. And let's copy, Control Z, let's add one here. Increase the size like this and also rotate like this. And in change the blending mode to the soft light for this. So both mode looks just similar like this and this. Okay, the blood gun shooter is also added in the background.
So overall, our uh, this to this, we are trying to replicate that thing, but we cannot able to always copy exact same to same. We do our best, so it looks so it must be look similar of that thing. So let's export this as a png, and date two. I'm just exporting the things for my memories, and now it's time to close the stream. Before closing the stream, just check the YouTube Studio. Is anyone who save the file? Quit the Photoshop. And before closing any stream, I am just checking any if there is any doubt and any issue to anyone. I can resolve this on screen. So your doubt must be clear, as well as it gives me motivation for the stream as well. To the live control room. So there is no live comment till now. So let's close the stream. Bye. See you.